The first one we're gonna do is a glitter bowl. You can use it on your vanity, your desk, or anywhere you wanna use it. We're gonna need some glitter, Mod Podge, and a balloon. So this is very simple. The first thing we're gonna do is mix some Mod Podge with some glitter. There's no exact measurements. We're just gonna do equal parts. Once that's all mixed together, we're gonna paint a nice thick coat on our balloon. I put it in a bowl just to hold it together for me. So I don't got time to let this dry, so I made one in advance. It's nice and dry. Let's pop this balloon. Once you've popped your balloon, trim the edges to any design you'd like. And now you got this super cute bowl. You can use it for makeup organizing. You could put your keys in it, do whatever you want with the boo. Okay, the next project is a watercolor poster. For this project, we're gonna need a white crayon, paper, and watercolor paint. The first step is to draw whatever you want on your paper. So if you have a hard time seeing it, you can kind of just tilt it in the light and then you can see it. Now I'm gonna go in with my watercolor paint. This is so cute. I can't wait to hang this up in my room. I'm gonna frame it. This is a masterpiece right here. These are some other examples that I did. I feel like Picasso right now. Next up, we're gonna jazz up an ordinary mug with some washi tape. You can put your pens in it. You can drink out of it. You're gonna need a plain mug, some Mod Podge, and some washi tape. Once we are done, we're gonna apply some dishwasher safe Mod Podge to seal this baby up. And that's it, you just let it dry and now you have a super cute mug. The next project I'm really excited about, we are making bath bombs with my bath bomb kit. All you really need to do is get the kit because it has everything you need inside of it. The first step we're gonna do is mix in all the dry ingredients. We're gonna need 1 tablespoon of citric acid, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 3 tablespoons of baking soda. And we're just gonna mix all those thoroughly. All right, now in a separate bowl, we're gonna mix our wet ingredients. So let's put this to the side. We will need 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, or honestly baby oil works too. And last but not least, some essential oil. This is your scent. And I almost forgot the color tablet for our color. Now that the tablet is dissolved and we got the color we want, we're gonna add this into the dry ingredients very slowly. Don't dump everything at once because you will ruin your bath bomb. The last step is putting this into our mold. You gotta really compact it in there. Now that it's in the mold, we're gonna let it sit until it hardens. And again, I have no time to let this sit, so I made some pre-made bath bombs and let's see them fizz. If you like this kit, you should check out my lip kit. I came out with a sleepover collection. You know, when you're hanging out with your friends, having a sleepover, it's just fun to make some bath bombs and some lip kits. Exclusively at Target right now.